The word Sanskrit has its roots in Sanskritam means self-made or self-done. The word sanskar means to make self, where sam means together with. The word sanskar also means well-cultured, and hence the language of Sanskrit is supposed to be the language of the cultured or the language of the gods, that is, Dev Bhasha. Sanskrit language can be considered as the mother of many Indian languages such as Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi, Punjabi, Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu, Kannada, Pali, etc. Who do you think formulated the grammatical rules to save Sanskrit, this language of the gods, from getting corrupted? So much so that even today, after more than 2.5 millennia, Sanskrit has retained its purity? It was none other than Rishi Panini. He can justly be called not only the world's best grammarian, but the world's first linguist. Rishi Panini codified Sanskrit grammar around the 7th century BC through his major work called Ashtadhyayi. It was he who first described some 1700 basic elements of grammar such as nouns, verbs, consonants, vowels, etc. Sanskrit existed much before Rishi Panini, but it was he who gave it a grammatical structure, which he expressed concisely through a set of sutras. NASA recently declared Sanskrit as the most suitable language to develop computer programming for their artificial intelligence program. They think that Sanskrit grammar is most suitable for machine learning and artificial intelligence. It was in 1985 that Rick Brigg, a NASA scientist, first published a research paper on this subject titled Knowledge Representation in Sanskrit and Artificial Intelligence. Isn't it really mind-blowing that grammar developed in the 7th century BC in India should prove suitable for cutting-edge sciences of machine learning and artificial intelligence today? All this is music to one's ears, but mind you, it isn't everyone's cup of tea to understand Rishi Panini's Ashtadhyayi. It is rather unfortunate that during the Islamic and colonial invasions, Sanskrit was gradually displaced by the common languages patronized by the rulers. All modern sciences from nuclear physics to artificial intelligence, from physiology to brain science, from management to spirituality, from mathematics to astronomy, from linguistics to sociology, from botany to zoology, from physical culture to musicology, have their roots in ancient Sanskrit texts and knowledge passed down through oral tradition.